could eat this all days. Wow. Okay. So if you come to Japan, you should try this. It's super yummy, and I can only recommend this. You should buy immediately 10 packs of this one because this is the best I ever ate in Japan. Not. Give me something yummy, please. Yeah. This one is, my girlfriend told me already, Hello Kitty marshmallow with chocolate inside. I know. Looks like poop inside. This one's nice, but seriously, it tastes like made for children. Chocolate and chili is not matching well at all. So this Hello Kitty stuff, it's yummy but tastes like for children. But if you come to Japan, you should try. It's yummy. It's good, and it was like 20 yen. It's like 20 cents or 20 American dollars, also cent, I think. So this one is seriously yummy. And next one is, what's this? Kihako. Kinako. Not too sure. Immediately I know what it is. I mean, guys. Did you know what kinako is? Sure, you know. But this one is like, you all know Japanese mochi, I think. This is the powder outside of traditional Japanese mochi, I think. I have no idea what this is. It's like a little bit like nuts, but like caramel texture. This is super yummy. I like this one. This one's good. Oh, I saw when we bought this, the barcode from this is like car with sticks inside. Giraffe driving. So this one is very famous Japanese sticks. My girlfriend loved this one with cheese inside. This one is with nori. Who don't know, is when you eat sushi there is like seitan, green or black seitan outside. This is nori in Japanese, like, you know what I mean. And butter, potato.
Butter.
Just butter.
Yeah. Nori and butter.
Okay, this one is just butter and nori, so seaweed. I don't like this smell. But it's yummy. Smell is not good, I feel, but taste is really good. Just don't smell on it. Is it cognac? you all know cognac. This is made from the same plant, but it's candy. It's like jelly. And I know this already. I ate this already many times before. And I can tell you what I felt when I ate this the first time. The consistent is like this. Like this. And if you chew it, feel like you have like got sick, and yeah, this is like when you what comes from your throat. This is like same texture, but it's yummy and funny texture, and I like this one's yummy. When you come to Japan, you should try it. This one's good stuff. Unko. You all know grape. This one is Japanese traditional candy. I tried this also when I came first time in my life, 2018, to Japan. This one is Joto. It's a little bit weird. Looks like this. And it looks like real grape. But outside skin is like, I don't know how to explain. This is feel like real grape, but inside is jelly. I remember I gave this to my parents, and they really had problem with the texture. Taste is super nice, so when you come to Japan, try this one. This one is really good, and super many different stuff. Yeah, it looks normal. Taste is not bad. I expected this one is super disgusting, but Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sorry, our memory card was full, so I tried this one already and I forgot. No. If I go buy chips, I don't buy this one because the other one is just more yummy. And this have like small taste of plum. Right now, after it comes super strong. It's not yummy. I don't like this one. Next one is children push drink. Kudun Q002 Ringo. I thought this is Ichigo. This one is apple. I thought this one is. I thought I bought strawberry. Follow from challenge. Whoa. I can feel it's for children. Tastes like for children. Very sweet, but it's okay. Not bad. So what's the next one? We have 3 things left. Mushrooms. Let's eat mushrooms.